Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be eating some pulled pork sandwiches. Let's stack them up here. Bam. These aren't professional sandwiches or anything, but they're so good. I try not to drop this. Man, I hope you guys are having a good day. I know I am. Today is Sunday, and it was a good day. Nice weather. I'm eating some pork sandwiches. These bad boys. Went to the Mexican store, bought some carnitas, which is pork, and we had tacos. These are like the leftovers, and I just decided to eat them as burgers. So as you can see there, got all that soft, tender meat just hanging out there. Got grease dripping off of it. Wow. Put mayonnaise on there just because why not? So soft. That meat is so soft and tender and juicy. My God. I don't know if you can see, but like my hands are covered in grease. My hands are covered in grease right now. That's how greasy these things are. There's like meat falling over here. All right, last one. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining me and having a nice, quiet meal with me. You guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like, leave a comment. Big things coming up in this year to come, so you don't want to miss out. So until then, we will see you in the next one. Take care.